Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting the job into immediate steps. Shut off water, clear the area, and remove any standing water so you can see components. Once done, identify the stopper type, pop-up, lift and turn, or push-pull, because removal differs slightly. Now loosen the pivot nut under the tailpiece with pliers while you hold the stopper from above. This prevents rotation damage. Make sure to work patiently. Proper access saves time and prevents scratches to the sink surface. Once the stopper is out, you'll see where grime accumulates. Clean it thoroughly with vinegar and a small brush to restore movement and seal integrity. While cleaning, inspect the pivot rod, spring clip, and rubber gaskets for cracks or flattening. The why is simple. Worn seals cause leaks and poor sealing. If parts are corroded or misshapen, replace them now. Then lightly lubricate moving metal and rubber interfaces with plumber's grease, so reassembly slides. To finish, reinsert the stopper and align the pivot rod. Reconnect and secure the pivot nut hand tight plus a quarter turn so you avoid stripping threads. Then operate the stopper several times to ensure smooth travel and a watertight seal. Lift and lower while observing undersink linkages. If it bounces or leaks, adjust the rod's height or reposition the spring clip to change travel range. As a final check, run water and inspect for leaks. If leakage persists, replace the gasket or tighten connections methodically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.